Okay, so we're in room 217. So let's see what we can find in here. Got a lovely painting. Absolutely amazing, that. I do like that. So we go in here and we've got a disabled bathroom. Suits me great. Which has got a lower down sink. That's great, that. We've got a mirror. And toilet with handle. This up and down. Oh, great to get me up and down from there. There you got a pull cord, just in case you need to call anybody. And then when you get to the bathroom, you got a lower down bath. Now that is really good. And then you've got handles all around, so you cannot really fall. This is much better than the normal baths that you actually get in most hotels and everything. That is really, really good. Really impressed with that. And then we'll go and look in the room. Wow, I do like that. That is amazing. Wow. The book. That is really, really good. I do like that. Looks like there's lots of books in here. That's really good. I'm actually really amazed with that. Then a double bed. And a single bed. This side. I can see why. So I've just spotted there's only one bedside unit, but I can see why, because obviously getting the wheelchair in here and everything. But personally, I like a bedside unit either side, but obviously I can see why, where you're coming from with that. So yes and no. So yeah. Then you've got a radiator just there, and then your wardrobe at the end, which is really good, rather than right in the middle, because obviously getting your wheelchair in and out. And then look out onto the back where the car park is. Then you've got drawers. That is really, really good. And then you end up with obviously a biscuit and a tea selection. Really impressed with that. Really, really, I'm impressed. Definitely the decor. Definitely, I'm impressed. So yeah, another nice bedroom at the Alton Towers Hotel. And this one is accessible. So definitely 10 out of 10, I would say, for this. I'll let you know how we get on sleep-wise. Thank you. Okay then, so this is the meal that we've actually ordered for tonight, our room service, and that we've actually had. Really looking forward to this, except we've actually ordered, like I said, we've ordered from room service, And it does say on the actual thing that we get 20% off because it's Merlin. We phoned up to order and we're supposed to get the code, and they'd say that the codes, they don't give them out anymore. If you order, if you have it online, if you have it sort of like in the room, rather than in the restaurants. So a bit confused with this. So, I don't know what's happening now with this. So, yeah, just wanted to mention it. But I'm sure we'll enjoy the food, and yeah, we'll let you know how we get on with it. Okay, thanks. Bye. Right then, we're off to go and look at the sensory room, which is in the 4th floor of the Alton Towers Hotel. So you find that the quiet room up here. And guess who's behind the door? It's Dan.
Hello.
This is another Dan than we saw yesterday in the Alton Towers Park. This is a Dan that can be found in the Alton Towers Hotel. So if you'd like to talk to us about about this room then, Dan, please.
So this room is for people that just need somewhere to go for a quiet space. Same if they're like distressed at all, if they're like suffering from like any mental health conditions that require them just to have a space that they can go to and just be safe.
Okay, looks really good. Do you get many people using it?
We've had quite a few people use it. Yeah, it's been quite popular this year.
Okay, I love the bubble fishes. It's really good. It's really nice. Imagine with the light off, it does give like a really good glow effect. That is really nice. Wow, really sensory.
Nice cool room.
Absolutely. And it's just a place that you can just come to just chill, get away from that everyday day and buzz and everyday loud sounds.
Definitely. It's got fully adjustable lights as well, so if you want a nice dark space, we can turn the lights down or we can turn it off as well.
That is really good. And of course, I see that you've got the earbuds as well.
Yeah.
So can you just explain what they're actually for, please?
So with some people, they suffer from, they don't like loud noises. So even like with a fish bubble machine that we have here, that can be also quite loud as well. If we've got, it's on the top floor, so we don't have many guests at all walking past, but just even in case it is too much, then they are provided there. Okay. And obviously some health conditions requiring you to have those. Oh, that's brilliant. So thank you very much to Dan. That's okay.
And to myself. Hey, here I am. And New Era Tourism saying thank you very much for another happy video. Over and out. Thank you. Thinking about the hotel room and the bathroom in particular, I just wanted to say that I think a shower would actually be better than the bath that's actually in there, because a lot of people actually, the disability, struggle to actually get the leg over the bath. So yeah, I think it would be better if there was a walk-in shower around probably. So yeah, even though there's a lower down bath, yeah, I still agree with walk-in shower if that was ever an option for in that room. I just want to say that we slept well. We didn't hardly have any noise whatsoever. And I just want to thank our subscribers for watching. And thank you. Please like and subscribe again. Thank you.